Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we picked up one of these MyMini little cookers. This is the sandwich maker. Looks very interesting. We'll open this up and show you how to use it. All right, here we are. MyMini sandwich maker. Oh, this looks interesting. Shows you how to make sandwiches and little pies. You can make pizzas, just all kinds of stuff. We'll open this little guy up, see what we can do here. What is this? Welcome to the nostalgia party. Okay. Here is the manual, comes with it. Tells you how to operate it, and got some recipes in here. Different languages. I only speak English, so let's stay with English. What do you say? Cleaning, recipes, there you go. There's your manual. Okay, get that out of the way. Here's our little cooker. Look at this little guy. Whoa. All right. Put your sandwiches right here. Close that like so and cook it. All right. There's your light. You plug this in. The light comes on. When the light goes off, it's ready to cook. Okay. Now we saw something in here for grilled cheese, hot ham and cheese sandwich. We're going to do that. I think we're going to make that today. See how it comes out, okay? We'll get this guy going, get it heated up, see what we can do. All right, here we are. We got it heated up. The little light went off. Now, the recipe for the ham and cheese said 2 to 3 minutes. So, here's what you do. Unclip that, open it up. It says spray a little bit. Keep it from sticking, okay? Put your bread right there like that. Put your cheese on here. Be careful, this little sucker's hot. Put your ham. I'm only going to use one ham. It said use 2, but I'm only going to use 1, okay? Put your other cheese on there. I can pick it up. All right, here we go. Put your bread right there on top of it, like so. Close this little guy up. Clip it. Give it 2.5 minutes or so. There's some cheese right there. I have to eat that. Hear it? It's cooking. Ha ha ha. Give it 2 minutes. Hear it? Been 1 minute. Popping a little bit. Woo! Begin to smoke a little bit. Almost 2 minutes. You could probably go 3. You might want to look at it and see how it's doing. Look at that. Whoa! 2 minutes. And it looks good. See if we can pick it up here now. Woo! Close that for now. We'll cut this in half. If I can. Woo, it's hot. There we go. Ooh, wow. I need a napkin or something. Let me get a napkin up here. Don't want to get that cheese all over me, my fingers and everything. All right, here we go. Look at this. Woo! There's the bottom side of it. There's the top side of it. Look at that. Looks good. Mmm. It's hot. I'm going to unplug it for now because that's probably going to be all I cook for right now. Look at that. Oh, that cheese is melted. Look at that. Woo! That is good. To clean it, wow. To clean it, what you want to do, take a damp cloth, not a rough, hard cloth that scratches things, just a damp cloth, wipe it all down good, dry it out, then you can use it again. Ooh, look at that sandwich. That cheese is hot. Ham is too. I'm going to get through. Sorry, I didn't mean to talk with my mouth full. I may have to try some of the little pies that you take the dough, put the pie filling in it, fold it, put it in there. I bet that cooks very good. If you like your bread a little more brown, cook it a little bit longer. That's okay. Oh, look, that is warm. Ooh. Pretty good little cooker, you know? I'm impressed. If you're a single person, maybe living in an apartment or a school dorm, maybe you're out camping in your camper, this little guy would be good for you. Sandwiches, and you can make pizzas with it. You can make the little pies. I got some pie filling. We'll try that here in a minute. See how that does, okay? All right. On a rating, scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being not worth it, 5 being, yeah, buddy, I could give this a 4. Yeah. I need to make myself some sandwiches. Be sure you let it cool off before you try to clean it up, okay? Because it is hot, okay? Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.